Hey guys! So for this art video, I decided to color the line art that I drew in last week's video. I used Procreate again. I decided to stick with the line art and not do what I normally do, where I go and like render over the line art so that it looks more like painterly or realistic or whatever. I don't know, like what I normally do, I guess. Sometimes it's fun to just color the line art. I didn't have anything in particular in mind when I was coloring or when I was drawing this. It's just some random girl. So I just kind of threw down whatever colors I was feeling in the moment. I messed with a lot of brushes and like techniques, I guess, with this one. Sometimes when I'm making a piece of art, I like to experiment with whatever materials I'm using, and so for digital art, I just use different brushes and see if I like them, or I'll do like colors that I don't normally do. So you can see for a while I'm messing with this weird pixely looking like multiple squares brush thing. It was pretty cool, but I ended up like deleting that layer anyway and like went with a more normal looking like charcoal brush or something like that. It was another brush that I don't really use that much, so it was still kind of a little experiment for me anyway. But yeah, I like to kind of mess with new brushes and stuff or whatever whenever I'm making art, just because it's good practice, and like you never know when you're gonna find a brush that you really like or a new technique that you really like. So it's always good to just kind of stretch out a little bit, I guess. I realized after almost finishing this piece that it kind of looks like I did a human Leela from Futurama, basically just because of the high ponytail with purple colored hair. But yeah, I was like looking at it and I was like, dang, I should have just like made it Leela, made a Leela fan art or something. But obviously I gave her 2 eyes and not 1 eye, so it can't be. I actually wasn't sure how I felt about this one when I first finished it. I kind of had to sleep on it. My initial plan actually was to like go back and delete the color and start over. I wasn't really feeling it whenever I finished it the first time. But yeah, like I said, I went to bed and in the morning I like went and looked at it, and actually I kind of liked it more than I thought that I did. So yeah, what do you guys think? I guess the positive though is that I have the line art, so I can recolor it whenever I want to. And speaking about that, you guys can color it too if you want. This is actually a Patreon monthly thing that we do. I do the line art and then I post it on Patreon, and then I upload it up there so you guys can get the file and color it yourselves. I'd love to see what you guys do. So if you're at all interested, go over and check out my Patreon. So here's how mine turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like. If you want to see more, feel free to subscribe. I do art videos every Tuesday and DIY videos every Thursday. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you later this week. Bye!